Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, green color, yellow color, black color, blue color, yellow color. Kids, now you coloring numbers. Kids, first you draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. O-N-E 1. The numbers of 1. Kids, now draw 2. The numbers of 2 and use green color. T-W-O 2. The numbers of 2. Kids, now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow color. T-H-R-W 3. Kids, now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use black color. F-O-U-R 4. Kids, now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use blue color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids, now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use red color. S-I-X 6. Kids, now draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use green color. S-E-V-E and 7. Kids, now draw 8. The numbers of 8 and use yellow color. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids, now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use black color. N-I-N-E 9. Kids, now draw 10. The numbers of 10 and use blue color. T-E and 10. Kids, today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.